peppermint planted wet paper towel method. These seeds are super small, but I can tell they have sprouted. Let's see if we can get them out of here and get them into some soil. Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook Garden Edition. You can see I've got some peppermint seeds. These things are microscopic small. I wanted to start them in a wet paper method. I can tell they're sprouting. I'll get the camera down here close so you can see what I'm talking about. I've got this container. It's just this little old tub, and it's got holes drilled in the bottom. And I put water in it. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got water in the bottom about a ½ inch. I want these to be really soaked. Now let's see here. I'm just going to open it up and these things are so small. Get another work surface over here. All right. Hope you can see these. When I get them out of here, I'll zoom in. Get this open here. There they are. Boy, they are small. It's like the smallest little. Let me get the camera around here so you can see them. All right, I'm going to zoom in. For comparison, this is a ice pick. You can see the little bitty white things. I mean, they're microscopic small. There's a bunch more over here. See there you go, right there. They're just like little hairs. There's a little one here. They're microscopic. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do an experiment. Are you thinking down the same lines as me? How about if I cover this up with soil? That paper will deteriorate and let this just keep on growing through the roots down in there. How about that? I think we're going to do that. I think we're going to come back and check it about 10 days from now. Let me wet it down really good here. And I think when I'm taking them off, I think they're kind of attached to the paper towel. Maybe I left them too long. First time I ever tried this with these small of the seeds. We'll just get some fine topsoil here. It's got vermiculite and everything added to it. And just barely cover it up. And as it starts to grow, if it grows through here, I'll just take and put a little bit more soil each time. That way it gets a good root system through. All right. Y'all wish me luck. See if this works. I can see one of the little sprouts right there. So at least I know they've got a little bit of a head start. See if y'all can see any up here. I had one spotted. There's a little one there. Man, they're hard to see. They're just like a little bitty fuzzy little dog hairs, like cat hairs. Oh well, we'll set this over here in the sun, keep it watered good, and I'll keep watching. If some of them come up through there and start to grow, I'll get some pictures of it. If they don't, I'll get pictures of them and report back. We'll see how this works. We'll see if this works. If not, I've got a whole package full of those things, and I'll direct sow into another container and see which one does best. So thumbs up and give me some luck. Catch y'all on the next garden update.